So now you want to know what's on this tray of stuff, because we're making the creation sandwich. I haven't given it a name yet. So the creation sandwiches, we've got cabbage, green cabbage, sliced. We got our house-made dill pickles, thinly sliced and then cut on the bias. These are our mustard fried pickles and onions. So we roast our onions, we roast the pickles, we add in Kaplansky's mustard and a little bit of maple syrup and a little extra punch of fermented chili paste. Then we've got some red onions and we've got some sauerkraut that we've drained. And we're gonna make that as our sandwich. And here we've got ciabatta buns, our Montreal smoked meat, sliced, cured for 5 days, rinsed for a day, then smoked with wild cherry wood. Special sauce. It's like Thousand Island dressing, but we make it in-house and we use our pickles in the recipe and some fresh dill. We got some Swiss cheese. This is our spiced mustard, a little bit of mayo, and our Herbie garlic oil. That's what's going in the sandwich. I saw that Elvis movie on the weekend too. It was fucking great. Elvis has left the building. Wow, that Colonel Tom.
Seriously.
Most important ingredient. Get a little salt and pepper going on it. Seasoning your food. So we're sauteing the cabbage and the onions on our flat top, nice and hot.
Why are we sauteing them and not having them raw?
So they makes them more tender and releases the natural flavors, and it's a hot sandwich. Take that over to this sauerkraut, pickles, little drizzle. This is our Herbie garlic oil. Lots of the Montreal smoked meat. Get it a little bit crispy there. He's a hot griddle today. Mr. Bread, mayo. Yeah, mayo. Smooth it out. That's the bottom. Put her down on the griddle. That's the bottom, on the griddle. So you get all your ingredients together, right?
How'd you come up with this creation?
I don't know, you were standing here. I just decided this is what I was making for our sandwich tomorrow. Sometimes it's just inspiring just to look at certain ingredients and you put it together. You know, you're gonna take it like that. Take a little bit of our spiced mustard here, just a little. Our special sauce or our version of a Thousand Island dressing. Cabbage, kraut, pickle mixture. And then that Montreal smoked meat. 4 nice slices on this beautiful, beautiful thing there. Mustard fried pickles and onions. Just put a little bit of that on top and get it all. This is using Kaplansky's spiced mustard. Then we put it again with roasted onions and pickles. Add a touch of maple syrup, chili. Some Swiss cheese on top. Then we're gonna pop it in the oven. I want to let that cheese melt. Okay, there it's all hot and steamy and melted. Our Montreal smoked meat sandwich, Kaplansky's mustard. Let's go over to the cutting board. There we are. Little extra drizzle of mustard. And that's that. That one's a big one. There you go. That's a hot, steamy Montreal smoked meat sandwich here at The Joint. This week's creation. Check us out. Limited availabilities, Thursday to Sunday. Take a bite out of life and come to The Joint. Ted Reader here, Godfather of the Grill. Give us a follow on YouTube.